So it's not gonna get any simpler than this. I'm tired of not having a light right here. See, this light down here it's kind of dim. So I'm gonna get this. It has 2 adhesive strips on the side. I'm gonna throw this on the back of your thing right here. You'll see where it's magnetic, so it'll snap just like that. This one too. And then all you gotta do, get up under here. Quick little press and take it down whenever you want. The reason why you're gonna take it down is it's USB-C charged, and you got the little switch on here. I'm gonna set it to on. See? Now I got all this light underneath here, and to swap brightness, that button right there, and then swap colors, that button right there. This does come with a remote as well, but everyone loses the remote, so you don't have to worry about that. You'll probably lose it too. It's got the buttons on the side, and you can also set it to auto. That way, whenever you're walking into the room and you start messing with your counter, it's gonna automatically turn on for you. You never have to touch it again.